everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can change your profile picture on your Facebook app without losing likes. And yeah, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with friends and family. And yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you will just go to your Facebook app, tap on your Facebook app, and once your app is open, you will just tap on this profile icon on above left corner, and as you can see this little camera icon on your profile, tap on that option and you will select this select profile picture option, tap on it. One thing that you have to remember is if you choose a new picture from your camera roll, then that picture will be new, so Facebook will reset it and you will have no likes because it's a new picture uploaded. So yeah, so you have to choose the picture that has already been uploaded, and you will just go to your album first and you will choose the album called profile picture, tap on it. So as you can see, these are the previous profile pictures, so you will choose the one that you want and then choose the picture that you would like. And as you can see, there is another option called share your update to news feed. If you enable this option, then your profile picture change notification and update will be available on your news feed. And if you don't want that, you can just simply tap on it and disable this, and if you do that, then your news feed won't have this change of profile news updated. Tap on the save option above right corner, tap on it. As you can see, profile picture is changed, so click on this profile icon and then you will select an option called see profile picture, tap on it. And as you can see, this November 30, 2022, this picture was added as a profile, and you can see these are the likes and these are the comments. Their comments and likes are still there. So yeah, this is how you can change your profile picture on your Facebook app without losing the likes and the comments. And yeah, I hope this video has given you the answers that you have wanted, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.